Hello guys, Tez here and welcome to Tez NSW Train Vlogs. Today I'll be doing transporting at Newcastle interchange and I'll be getting, hopefully, an Endeavour. They're not that common in Newcastle, but we're going to see Hunter sets, Oscars and V sets today, and maybe, I should see at least one Endeavour. But yeah, currently about to get there. So I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and yeah, enjoy the video. Just arrived. Now I'm going to make my way to the end of the platform now. This Hunter set here is about to leave for Tallawarra, so I'm going to get some platform quickly. We got a Hunter set leaving Newcastle interchange, heading for Tallawarra. All stops. Not Tallawarra, Tallawarra. I get those mixed up a lot. We've also got another Hunter set pulling into Newcastle interchange platform 2. Terminating from Tallawarra. We got Oscar H8 heading to heading to Broadmeadow. No, what is I'm getting this? Oh, Hamilton train yard. It's just around the corner. And then it comes back. Let's get out of the way for another train coming in. Platform 2, heading to Tallawarra.
Terminates here. Please do not join this train.
Tallawarra Express service. VSET V51 pulling into platform 1, terminating. It's running 15 minutes late. We got an Oscar H8 pulling into platform 3. It's coming back from Hamilton Yard that we saw earlier. It will be departing in 15 minutes for all stop service to Central. We've got a Hunter set pulling into platform 2. We've got an Endeavour pulling into platform 2. Going to stop in front of the Hunter set at the end of the platform. That was sick. Both the driver and the person next to the driver, both driver and guard waved to me, bro. That was sick. Bro, that's just good, bro. I love that. But yeah, this came from the Broadmeadow yard. So taking a scone service in 5 minutes. You got a 4-car VSET V51 pulling out of platform 1, doing express service to Sydney Central. We got an Endeavour leaving platform 2, heading to Scone Express. Express to Maitland, then all stops to Scone.
Arrive on platform 3.
Oscar H8 leaving platform 3. All stops to Central. H8 leaving.
To arrive on platform 2 goes to Talara. First stop Hamilton, Waratah, Warragul, Sandgate, Hexham, Tallow, Earlsmere, Thornton, Medford, Victoria Street, Eastbourne.
V48 VSET pulling into platform 3, terminating service. All stops from Sydney. Avoid faces.
Goes to Maitland.
Hunterset leaving platform 2.
Hamilton, Waratah,
Service to Talara. Hunterset pulling into platform 1, terminating service from Singleton. Forgot to start recording, but yeah, I'm now. Oh wait, what am I talking? Alright, Endeavour pulling into platform 2. Yeah, Endeavour pulling into platform 2, terminating from Talara. God damn it. 4-car VSET departing platform 3. Express service. Well, no. All stops to Gosford. Gosford service. 8-car VSET pulling into platform 3. Terminating from Sydney Central. Terminating from Sydney Central. 8-car VSET. I'm just saying it again because I'm not sure if you heard over the announcement, so yeah. VSET is undergoing shunting. They're separating this to do separate services. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more more content like this. And hope you have a good day, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.